Education is one of the most important weapons in a country.
Education is the most powerful weapon in which can be used to change the world. Nelson Mandela. But for some students, this weapon is lost because the completion of their college education is never fulfilled. There are many barriers that hinder students from completing their college education. As a result, there are programs on the university campus that help students overcome these barriers. Usually programs like into a first-year students department, equal opportunity program, some student-run organization, and other programs that create community for students. However, these programs do not reach non-traditional, underrepresented, unaffiliated, and transfer students on campus. These students are left to navigate the system on their own without help in these areas: academic, financial aid, advisement, counseling, housing, and career development. Polaris is the solution, started by a student who experienced this lack of community firsthand, and later came to the realization that many of his fellow students were having similar experiences. What is Polaris? Polaris is a comprehensive, holistic approach to education. Through research and with the help of extraordinary educators, we have designed the Polaris Game Plan to solve the problem and help non-traditional, underrepresented, unaffiliated, and transfer students succeed in college. GAME is an acronym for Guidance, Academics, Mentorship, Empowerment. We have concluded that these are the pillars of success in college. Guidance. Guidance is a crucial part of student success. In addition to academic advisement, guidance that takes into account the student's entire academic career is crucial. Also, building relationships with students and asking questions to allow the advisors to assess the need of the student beyond the usual needs, whether the needs are academic, financial, personal, advisory, etc., and then guide them accordingly. Academics. We want students to be the best, and in order for them to be the best, they must master the coursework. We believe that tutoring helps even the smartest, most independent students to grow. Using the mastery method, our objective is to help students master the subject so that they can use it adequately in their career. We also teach the growth mindset to students to overcome perceived boundaries. Polaris will pioneer online tutoring and also use tutorials made specifically for college courses. Mentorship. Mentorship is very important and a proven method of success. However, sometimes it is hard to find a mentor on campus. From research, we realize that success in class, a program, or field of study is more attainable when you have someone to show you the way. Also, we have found that mentorship goes both ways, not only stimulating growth for the student, but stimulating growth for the upperclassmen, faculty, and professional mentors as well. Empowerment. We want to challenge students to go above and beyond the norm. We help students realize their potential and challenge them to set high goals and high standards. We do this by exposing students to new experiences and professionals from different fields. We challenge students to seek internships, co-ops, and fellowships that will broaden their understanding and give them a chance to apply the knowledge that they are learning. We also encourage students to go for advanced degrees and give them the tools to do so. Our vision. We see using pedagogical methods to turn ordinary students into extraordinary learners. We see a bridge gap between students, staff, faculty, and administration, where open lines of communication lead students to success. Our vision is to be the North Star of education. Polaris, guiding students through to greatness.
Polaris leading students.
Polaris. Gameplay. Polaris.
Polaris leading students to great education.
Polaris gameplay. Polaris gameplay.
Polaris leading students to greatness.